Hello, CTV fans! We are back with a new episode of CTV Exclusive, your front row seat to the stars. My name is Dom Lodato. It's been like a couple of months since we last did a CTV Exclusive episode. The last one was a girl group named Wing, and today we got another girl group. Yes, the Chica Chica is real, folks. We have a great girl group, and they're laughing with what I said because you can tell by that laugh. Because our guests this afternoon, they have two new singles out, and one of those members, if I recall correctly, stars in a movie that I'm sure you will enjoy for all the K-pop fans because it's gonna be fun. Please welcome YG Yankee!
Wherever you go, I go. We are YPIG. Hello.
What's up, girls? Welcome to the show, and we hope you're all safe from the storm Juan. Lakas ng ulan, no?
Yes, sobra.
And we are before we continue on, I just want to give our thoughts and sympathies to all the victims of the Typhoon Uwan. We're with you, laban lang. All right, how are you, girls?
We're good. Yes.
So first of all, like what you said in your greeting, you go, I go. That phrase is at the heart of the group's name. When you look back to that moment na unan yung narinig, what did it mean to each of you personally?
So Jewel, for me, you go, I go is technically teamwork. Yes, in terms of like friendship, relationship, loved ones, whatever. It's universal, and it for me personally, it really resonates with um, the connection, I
Yes.
guess, with one another. For me,
Mm.
it means a lot.
And then I think the word that resonates
Oh wow! Yeah.
is trust. Kasi ano eh, medyo uh, sa tagline namin, you go, I go. So, kailangan may trust at maging matatag yung group din. And, ayun.
For me, you go, I go is like a companion. So everywhere you go, you're sort of reassured that you have someone that's gonna follow you, or in those good and bad moments, you have someone.
Yeah, for me, I can describe it as a dream. Na it has a teamwork, a trust, companion. So all in one, we are reaching with the same dream, same goal na gusto namin iparating sa mga fans namin.
Yes, and you mentioned trust because yan ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat. Trust is the most important factor in any teamwork because without trust, you might break it and you have to earn that trust kasi you must earn it kasi alam mo naman ang trust mahirap bawiin,
Para may
'di
bond.
ba?
Mm.
So, training, auditions, debut, your journey wasn't overnight. I experienced this nung nakita ko kayo sa 3 years ago actually. So, can you share one moment during those training years na nagulat that surprised you about yourself for better or worse?
Me personally, not that if the fans know, like I'm the longest trainee in SP Town, so um, I started off with a blank slate. Like I didn't know how to sing, I didn't know how to dance, I didn't know how to do a lot of things. But I had that passion and that determination that I wanted to really improve myself every single day. And until now, like it just surprises me every single day. Na parang I keep on getting better in terms of talent, in terms of personality, and that's something that really makes me quite proud of myself. That's something I could be totally proud of.
Anything to add?
I think for me, like it was in general, like the whole training procedure. I think like what most shocked me was that I was able to overcome that huge challenge. I'm sorry, there's like feedback.
Yes.
Because of course the training procedure was very hard, very like tiring physically and mentally. But like being able to overcome just the training is already such a huge achievement. So yeah, and I think for all the members, that's also what they feel.
Ka-excite naman kasi one thing that surprises all of us is life is full of surprises. Everyone knows that, and you never know what you're going to expect over the next God knows how long we live in this universe. All right. With the current lineup ng grupo, how do you feel each member brings something unique to the table? At paano yung differences help when you're creating or performing together?
At first, yung current lineup ng members, talagang, ako personally, sobrang thankful ako kahit anong mangyari sa amin. Kasi, honestly, mahirap siyang, alam mo yun, may adjustment sa amin since iba-iba kami ng ugali, ng kinalakihan. So, kailangan, and for me as a leader, kailangan maintindihan ko bawat member sa group. And, mahirap nga siya, pero, matututunan mo din na mahalin yung bawat isa sa grupo. Kasi, hindi dahil sa walang choice ha, hindi gano'n.
Yeah.
Pero, alam mo yun, yung pinagsamahan namin nung trainee days, sobrang, ngayon, mas naging meaningful siya for me. Kasi, biruin mo, nakaya namin yun ng ilang taon na hanggang ngayon, magkakasama pa rin kami, pero hindi pa rin ako nagsasawa. So, alam mo yun? So, ayun, paano kami nag-work together? Actually, by just maging, yung pinaka-basic is like, mag-communicate kami, maging open kami sa isa't isa. And with that, mas deep pa yung relationship namin together. And with that, mas tatagal talaga yung grupo namin.
And add to that,
Yes.
na nagko-compromise po kami sa mga bagay-bagay na hindi naman po all the time na tama yung ganito, tama yung ganyan. Pero mas maganda pa rin po kasi na we meet in the middle, na kung saan makapag-compromise tayo ng mga bagay na pwede naman palang pag-usapan o in the way.
Yes.
The truth talaga.
Yes.
Indeed. Kasi we all need to have compromise, and acceptance and adjustment is what we all need. Especially now, kasi the world is ever changing. We all know that. And before we move on, before tayo matuloy, Meg, I want to congratulate you on your movie Finding Santos. Yes, Finding
Yes.
Santos. We're looking forward to the premiere already.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much.
All right, moving tuloy-tuloy tayo. All right, as a fans of P-pop are increasingly connecting with authenticity. Outside the stage lights, anong parts ng yung personality or life do you really want the public to see, but maybe they don't yet?
For me personally, I feel like siguro yung if I have a stage persona, siguro people would say parang medyo like funny or like loko-loko, something like that. Pero like another side that I want people to see is I also have like a very sentimental and introspective side to me na it's hard to show kasi siguro medyo like yun na yung vulnerable side ko, but hopefully like as you said, habang tumatagal yan, being authentic na ang scene, and like also us, we want to show more authentic versions of ourselves. Kaya I really want our we go to see na parang we also have quite a deep and emotional side to us as well.
Yes, I agree. Kasi it reflects ourselves, our true selves. Kasi we know naman na There's a lot of people watching you right now, especially yung mga Wigo. And speaking of Wigo, sana nanonood kayo. Please make us trending. Hashtag CTP Exclusives YGIG. Tuloy-tuloy tayo. Sana mag-trending tayo itong episode na to. Anyways, as a Filipino girl group under SB Town, how do you balance influences, both local and global, while staying true to your own flavor or identity?
I think like of course as artists you still have to ride with the trend. You still have to find a way to make it your own. Uh but of course pinaka priority pa rin namin is we stay true to what resonates with us. So siguro just like keep being involved sa process ng paggawa. That's how you stay the most authentic. But still finding a way to adjust sa iba't ibang flows and trends ng industry, global or like local.
And to add to that, actually, for global, one thing that we love to keep within our group is like the essence of being Filipino and like lalo na keeping Tagalog lyrics into our songs. And this is something that we're more focused on throughout our comeback as well. Like mas dumadami na yung Tagalog lyrics sa mga kanta namin and for the following comebacks to come.
Yes. Yes, I wholeheartedly agree kasi natutuwa akong na maraming nang natutuwa sa P-pop na yon. I'm so glad to witness the rise of P-pop at the right time too. Kasi I'm just too happy for the growth. Too happy to not hold my excitement. All right. So let's shift gears a little. Looking ahead to 2026 in just about 2 months. 2 months na lang, 2026 na. Ang bilis ng panahon, no? Anong isang risk that you'd like to take as a group in terms of sound, concept, visual, fan engagement na hindi nyo pa sinubukan?
Ako naman, like, in terms of looks, gusto ko mag-try ng something na mas daring for the group. You know, like, siguro medyo unconventional na look, like bald or something. Or like,
Mag-wig tayo
always-
lahat.
Yeah, something na medyo, no?
Hindi. Okay lang. Okay lang. Baka, kasi okay lang. Tuloy nyo.
Okay, yeah. Something na medyo bold and di conventional. Siguro, if it works. Yeah.
Yeah, in terms of sound though, like I kind of want to try a different genre. Like, what if like
yeah.
Rockstar YGIG,
Yes.
you know, like,
Yeah.
rock music, or at least like one like very emotional ballad na YGIG.
I think more on sa sounds. Mas gusto namin mag-discover pa ng ibang genre. Although sa ngayon, mas nilalove namin, of course, yung genre ng bago naming release. So, yeah.
Very good, very good. And I want to point that out sa ginawa kong ganyan. Please, wag kayong mag-daring. Please, wag kayong mag-Viva Max. Kahit parang awan nila. Wholesome tayo dito.
No.
Biro lang yon.
Okay.
Wag kayong mag-ganyan, please.
Yes.
Anyway, for your fandom, the We Go family, anong message that you hope to deliver directly to them in this space of your career right now?
Actually, lagi namin silang sasamahan talaga. Kasi sa ilang months na hindi kami lumabas sa scene, nag-antay pa rin sila para sa amin. And with that, talagang ramdam na ramdam namin yung suporta. Kasi up until now, kahit sa mga radio broadcasting namin, pumupunta sila, bumibisita sa mga TikTok lives namin. Maraming nanonood. And sobrang nakakaginhawa siya kasi hindi namin in-expect na ganito kami tatangkilikan ulit ng audience and ng Wigo especially.
Yes, I'm just so happy to witness it myself kasi the first time I saw you girls let me just make a clarification para sa ating mga bagong CTV fam na they used to be 6 members, na yung 4 na lang sila. And
Actually,
then, 7?
Yes!
7.
I make a mistake. Sensya na. I fact check myself. There are actually 7 members na yung 4 na lang sila. Yung 3 lumipat na or somewhere. Biro lang yun. No offense sa mga other members. Hope you're watching this, pero we love you girls. But I just want to point out na sa lahat ng girl groups na nakita ko so far, sa bunong tanan ng buhay ko, I just see the potential of this girl group. And I believe na lalaki pa ang fan base nyo. I guarantee it. Lalaki pa ang fan base nyo. Baka matulad kayo ng isang grupo na umusbong bigla out of nowhere. Baka kayo naman ang susunod.
Manifesting.
Manifest.
Yes, manifesting is real. So, when you're off duty on your own time, paano kayo nagre-recharge or reset? And is there something from those real-life moments that you feel influences your performances or songs?
Ako personally, nag-gym na ako lately. And because of my gym, I feel more confident in performing and, wearing outfits na normally I didn't feel confident in. So, kaya parang mas proud na ako, I guess. Kaya, staying healthy.
Ako,
Mm.
maybe like, especially now na mas busy and like a lot of talking with other people, the way I recharge is I write down or I reflect on events that occurred or like yung thoughts ko. And I think in terms of parang like artistry or creativity, like these moments where you reflect and you sort of dwell sa emotions mo, dun din nabubuo yung art mo. Kasi it really comes from like your inner self. And I don't know, I feel like as a person, although lahat kami, we're very like reflective people. Kaya the way we recharge is like we go inside.
Yeah.
Yes, we're all very introverted, actually.
Yeah.
Oo. And aside from that, parang same sa sinabi nila Jules and Meg, aside sa parang pagiging reflective person, sobrang inaano namin talaga, binibigyan pansin namin yung physical health namin. Kasi, ngayon na mas busy yung namin, yung schedule. So, kasi dapat, ready kami anytime. Ayun.
And if ever na
Tama.
mga free time, ganyan, personally, sa akin naman po, most likely, pupunta ako sa mga places that I can think or I can just, parang, like, let loose lang, like, binagmamasdan ko lang yung paligid, gathering my thoughts, parang, gaya din po na sinabi ni Meg na kinokollect ko lahat ng mga reflections and mga thoughts ko sa mga pangyayari, or if ever na medyo may mga gumugulo sa isip ko, I would just sit around in the corner or out there na thinking of possible way. Or most likely, mas talaga po ako, like, tutunga nga po talaga ako.
And touch some grass.
Touch some grass.
And parang, minsan din po kasi masayang tingnan din yung mga tao how they do with their life.
And no phones.
Yes. Just
You.
relax.
Yes. All we need to have, kasi alam nating lahat na is health is wealth. And more important than ever before kasi tingnan mo, I'm gonna be turning 28 in about a couple of months from now, pero alam niyo naman how important it is to take care of your health. I wish we could have some health experts on our show. Now, before we talk about the next comeback, I just want to ask this. Kung merong isang taong nakita ang YGIG for the very first time at nagtanong kung gusto mag-press play sa'yo, anong sasabihin mo at sa tao na yan?
I mean, for me, I guess I'll say, like, we're very welcoming. and very kind. And our music is just as relatable as everybody else in our daily life. Kaya ano, feel ko, like if you're cleaning, if you're feeling down, like we have a song for that.
Yeah.
Ano,
You want to feel good, you want to be happy.
You want to feel kilig, we have
Play.
this song.
And
We have
we're
like
fun,
that.
and we're fun to watch.
Yes. We're very refreshing, I guess. Ayun.
Yes. I agree kasi pas mga first time listeners yan, you should give it these girls a listen, especially mga dating nilang singles. You should give those a listen too kasi fun actually. Anyways, let's talk about their new singles. Clear kasi sinabi ko in the intro kanina na natuwa sila sa sinabi ko about Chika Chika. Yes, yan ang title ng kanilang new single. Plus, meron silang isa pang single na Like That. I heard these two songs for the first time at nakaka-antik sa puso at nakakatuwa yung ginagawa nila. Anyways, they both seem to come from very different moods. One's bold and freeing, the other warm and intimate. Nung nag-record kayo ng songs na yan, did you feel like you were showing the two sides of who YGIG is right now? Habang tanong yan, yes. Go ahead.
Yes, definitely.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. Although both are like very may same intention sila, which is to feel good, but they come from different angles. Siguro yung Chika Chika is more like if you feel down, we really want you to be okay. Like it's okay, let's just have fun. And see like that, it's more like relishing in like that, as you said, warm and intimate feeling. So when we recorded it, although iba yung feel niya, same yung ano niya, intention, I guess.
Good. I mean, honestly speaking, sino ba dito yung mga naramdaman na feeling bold, feeling warm? Sino ba dito yung can relate to the song?
Actually, kahit pakinggan mo lang siya, kahit walang, ano mo yun, parang, kunwari sa Like That, kahit wala kang karelasyon, parang pakinggan mo lang siya, mag-feel good ka na eh.
Mm-mm.
Yun lang yung ano namin. Kasi parang, mas mabuti kung may ka. Mas mararamdaman mo yung lyrics. Ganun.
Yes.
Pero like, sa tunog pa lang niya, as in, kunwari, kasi both kasi may dance break siya. Dance break. Like that. Ayan, so, parang mapapainta ka na sa tuwa, sa gano'n.
Ako personally, like, I use Like That na para siyang, kilig song para sa pagpa-fangirl ko. Yes, lalo na sa favorite K-pop groups or something. Like, I would listen to that song and parang feed my delusions.
Nalulumog.
For the kilig.
Sa akin, pag siya, road trip, like at night.
Wow.
Gusto mo lang ng chill
Si
vibes.
Like That.
Si Like That yung papakinggan ko. Para ganun lang, smooth lang yung vibe ng night. Lalo na, ang ng chill ng mga, yung breeze, yung
Makes you feel nice talaga.
Yeah. Parang gusto mo na lang gumanon sa
Sa
bintana.
stars.
Yeah, especially na yun, malamig na ang simoy ng hangin na yun dahil sa amihan. Wag lang bumagyo, please. Ayoko na mangyari ulit ng bagyo. Alright. Chika Chika talks about dancing your stress away. Kailan ba kayong huling nagkaroon ng isang moments na you want, I don't give a, when you had to let loose and stop overthinking?
Ako,
Bang.
another personal experience for me is during the times na in our previous album, the four songs, 4 countries, during our music video shoot, like we would be dancing or we would be acting in public, in streets in order to film our music video shoot. And parang yan yung turning point sa akin na I don't care. Like, kailangan mag-acting even though that there are people around us watching. Parang yan din yung naging turning point for me. And it reminds me so much every time I listen to Chika Chika.
Wow.
Yes.
I feel like yung pagbuo rin po mismo ng Chika Chika, it came from a place of like we were overthinking a lot kung ano yung next release namin, and we were thinking too hard about the lyrics, the concept.
Mm-mm.
Tapos biglang we just realized na parang, oh, we're here to also enjoy. Kaya we hope na people listening to Chika Chika can also like remind themselves to let loose and like slow down, live your
Yeah.
life, you know.
Yes, kasi we only live once. And
YOLO.
YOLO, Pascual.
Good one.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Papa P, sa lahat ng mga fancy Papa P out there. Rat of it. So please, thank you for that, for the lapping of that joke kasi love it. I love this show so far. Anyways, like that. Moving on na tayo sa like that. It feels something that you listen to on a quiet night with someone special, as you said. Pero okay lang mag-listen kahit alone ka, as you said. But how do you personally connect with songs about love and softness, especially as artists still finding your place in the industry?
Well, I think love is a universal thing. So sometimes I can listen to love songs na kuwari, they were made specifically for like a romantic relationship. I could listen to it as like something na parang kuwari, self-love. You know, I think it's how you perceive that song. So, in the like OPM scene, sobrang daming love songs actually, and parang love, like romance, yung ganong type of genre is something na sobrang sikat sa Pilipinas, which I find very endearing kasi it's very warm, and we wanted to recreate that as well with like that. So regardless if parang you have someone or you don't, if you look around you, madaming sources of love. Yun.
Yes, totoo naman. We are a country full of lovers dito sa Asia. And we naming hugot matutunan kahit single ka, or it could be self-love, it could be love for country, love for the environment, chares, lang sa environment, love for one another, love for kahit anong love pa man yan, it's universal, as you said. Both songs seem to carry a sense of self-assurance, whether it's confidence in yourself or comfort in love. Nung ginawa niyo yung tracks na yan, has working on these tracks changed kung paano niyo nakita yung sarili niyo outside the group bilang individual?
I think, as you said, both songs para siyang like assurance in whether internal or external, and as an individual, and I think as a group, I think it just shows how much we've grown. Kasi, you know, instead of like trying to search outward kung ano mang sino ba kami, or like trying to look for answers outside, this time we really wanted to parang look inside, look in ourselves, look sa group, and that's where we found yung assurance na yun. So I think both of these songs, like assurance siya and symbol din ng growth namin as a group.
Yes. Sobrang. Kasi if you have confidence in yourself or you have comfort in love, you should try to listen to these songs kasi it will give you assurance na kakayanin ko to. So, if Chika Chika and Like That were two sides of a playlist called A Day in the Life of YGIG, anong moments ng iyong araw would each track represent?
May idea ako for like that.
Ano?
Pag maganda yung gising ko, tapos masarap yung coffee.
Yeah.
Tapos ang ganda ng weather.
Can't you see I like that?
Yes. Kasi since very feel good na nakaka-uplift talaga ng mood si Like That, parang subaybayan mo lang yung kapaligiran mo, parang mai-inlove ko na lang din sa life mismo.
Wow.
Yes.
I like that.
Okay.
For Chika.
For Chika, sobrang basic lang actually. Kasi tayong mga Pinoy, ano tayo eh, alam mo yun, commuters talaga tayo, di ba? And kapag pinapatugtog ko yung chika, parang nalalagpasan ko yung hirap ng pagko-commute. Kapag pinapakinggan ko siya, ganun yung feeling niya sa akin.
Tapos if ever na pag maglalakad ka lang, parang pag napapakinggan mo siya, gumagano ka na lang din.
Yes, commuting is real talaga. Bilang ako nag-commute papunta sa mga events, I actually had to experience commuting nung pumunta ako sa press con nyo, yung JV press con nyo. And thankfully, libre ang sakay nung panahon na yan. Libre ang sakay from EDSA Carousel. Thank you. Kung sino man ang nag-isip niyan. I think it's you know who. Pero ayoko nga maging political. But, yes, let's not be too political kasi good vibes lang tayo dito, di ba? Anyway,
Yes.
there's lots of talk about concept eras in P-pop right now. Ngayon, instead of labels, how did you describe the feeling or mindset na you are stepping into with this comeback?
Yeah.
Rebirth. Since gaya po na sabi namin, we're from 7 members to 4. So we changed a lot. We nag-grow kami as an individual and as a group. Like we're back to square one. So now we're stepping out as a new YGI. As a parang brand din po kami in everything like concept, image, and everything.
Yes, good. Kasi I'm just honestly natutuwa ako na ang mga chika nyo sa mga grupo na yon. Alam natin lahat na maraming natutuwa na yon sa mga P-pop, K-pop, lahat na ng pop. And I'm just so glad na merong grupo pa rin na I somehow still stand for some reason. Natuwa nga ang tito ko nung narinig niya ang shaba-shaba. And I'm just honestly happy for the rise of P-pop. And I won't be surprised to tell you this, na if I see you girls sa P-pop Music Awards in 2 weeks, I'm looking forward to seeing you girls in person again. Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, we're looking forward.
Looking forward.
Yes, I'm excited to announce this kasi I really want to announce this kasi in 2 weeks time, aabangan nyo ang CTV dyan sa P-pop Music Awards. So, wala mo ng CTV exclusives on that day kasi focus tayo doon sa P-pop Music Awards with these girls and the rest of the P-pop community. Please, hopefully mangyari na sa wakas ang mangyari na. But I'm not gonna go through that. Baka ma-jinx yung mga nangyayari. So, if you have anything to promote for the next few weeks for in your schedules, your upcoming events, go right ahead.
On November 17 po, we have our bus.
Yeah.
So if ever you have the time to come po, please come po and watch our first seven performance of Wish Bus. All our songs po.
Yes, all our new songs.
And finding
Yes,
And
Wish
of course,
God.
yes, and of course yung movie which I will be starring in, and yung OST namin, our first OST which will be featured sa movie, will be showing sa November 19. So help us find Santos, guys.
Yes, abangan natin yung movie nyo. Congratulations already, Meg, sa yung bagong movie na Finding Santos with Tang Gio. I have to add that kasi nung nakita ko nga, I haven't seen him pero sa tingin mo ba, Meg, I want to ask, nung katrabaho mo before we go, I want to ask this. Paano ba sa personal si Jang Teo? Gwapo ba siya sa personal?
Oh my God.
How was it work?
I don't know, he's a very chill dude. Yeah.
Just so happen na I'm very excited already. I'll see you in 2 weeks for the P-pop Music Awards. At excited. I'm so excited to see you girls. Hopefully, wait. I'll tell that later. Pero For the meantime, CTV Pam, I just want to say thank you for the trust you gave, and it's good to be back after like 2 months na. Ang nakaganda, no? Pero, we live and learn, ika nga. Anyways, thank you for watching CTV Pam. My name is Dom Lodato. You've been watching CTV Exclusive. Have a good afternoon, Pilipinas.